if you're smart and you're actually trying to make money on TikTok Shop as an affiliate, you've probably already been using data to find products, posting consistently, you're doing everything right. But again, you're probably still missing a lot of these small hidden features on TikTok in the affiliate center that can actually give you a huge serious edge. So I'm talking about analytics, insights, small little things that are buried inside a lot of TikTok Shop dashboards that most affiliates, they scroll right past without even knowing if they're actually there, right? For almost 2 years, I've been making a minimum of 10K per month as a TikTok Shop affiliate, and a huge part of that success came from using some of these small 5 features on a lot of this product research and content strategy that's allowed me to do this amount of money on TikTok Shop, right? So my students like Ashley, Tyree, consistently hitting 20, 30K months because they learned about these hidden features that do give them an actual edge over most affiliates because it allows you to interpret your data. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 secret TikTok Shop hacks that are actually hiding in plain sight, how you can actually use them to make better decisions and get that extra edge. And most importantly, why most affiliates will never find these on their own. So if you're new here, my name is Kade Wiley. I help TikTok Shop affiliates build consistent 5-figure, sometimes multi-5-figure monthly income. So if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. So the very first thing that I wanted to show everybody how to do on the TikTok Shop dashboard, again, there's a lot of small features that most people don't know about. I think this is really important, especially as GMV max starts to scale, right? There's actually a way that you can tell if you are getting sales from organic or paid. Again, it's one of those small things that a lot of people don't know. And again, make sure you stay to the last one because again, I promise there's going to be at least 3 of these, no matter who you are, that you probably don't know about. The very first thing that you want to do is you're going to be on your TikTok Shop dashboard. You want to go to the earnings section. And again, so it looks like I actually cashed $914 in here that I actually didn't even know about. So I'm gonna need to do that later. But anyways, you're gonna go to your affiliate orders, right? So we're gonna scroll for a little bit. It looks like I'm actually getting a lot of organic sales, but I'm gonna scroll here and show you what I mean in a second. Put these side by side. So right here, you can see there's going to be one order that has an orange shopping cart and it's going to say 30% commission. And there's going to be another one right below it that's red and it says shop ads. Now, this is extremely beneficial because this will allow you to figure out, okay, am I getting mostly organic or am I getting mostly paid sales, right? So many people have the misconception of, oh, I'm only getting organic. Oh, I'm only getting paid. This allows you to break down and figure out, okay, what percent of my orders are actually coming from organic versus coming from paid. And this is really important so you can see how the traffic is being distributed on your page. And again, for this one specifically, it's going to vary by account and vary by product depending on how much actual spend that you're getting. But for this one specifically, it looks like mine's like 8% organic, probably about 20% paid. Again, it's very interesting to know. It's going to be different for you. Sometimes it's mostly paid, small amount organic. So this will be a really good tell for you to figure out, okay, where's my commission actually coming from so you can see that, right? So that's the first tip. So now the next little tip that I wanted to explain with everybody, and again, this is extremely important, especially if you have the auto authorized ad setting turned on, is again, you need to be checking what your commission is for paid ads specific. So again, if you go to TikTok Shop and you can see right here, see how it says earn $5.24 per sale, you're thinking, okay, I'm making $5. The problem is a lot of brands have a different percent for ad rate commission as opposed to organic commission. If that's going to happen, you could potentially screw yourself. So it's really important before you promote a product to look at it. Because again, if some of these companies, they will have their ad rate commission set to basically 5%. 1%. Please do not promote a product if it's 5% or 1% ad rate commission, because what these brands will do is they will put something ridiculous like maybe 30% organic commission. So you see $5.24 per sale, but when you go to actually promote it, what they're doing is pumping a bunch of ad spend behind their videos and you're getting paid 1%. So you're thinking, oh, you're getting paid all this money. You think you're making 30 times more than what you're actually getting paid. So what you need to do is you're going to click the up arrow. Again, we're just going to a random product. Again, I'm just kind of taking the collagen peptides here from micro ingredients. You're going to hit the up arrow on your TikTok Shop dashboard. You should see this right here, and you're going to see something right here towards the top that says view multiple earning sources. Now, if you do not see that, if that arrow is not there, that means that you're getting the same commission on organic versus paid. However, if you see that, that means that the paid ad commission is going to be lower than organic. So if you click on that, that actually allows you to go into it and see that. So the standard commission, which is organic, that your organic commission is going to be 15%. Whereas if you toggle over to shop ads, you can see it's 8%. So again, you can see it's basically 50% less just for paid ads. So again, please pay attention to this. If you're not doing this and looking at this when you start to promote the product, you're probably going to cost yourself on a lot of money, because I've seen so many people get screwed because they're promoting a product that's 30% organic commission. Meanwhile, they have 1% ad rate and they're making no money, and you're making company all the money. So be careful. The next thing that a lot of people don't realize is you actually figure out, okay, what videos are getting the sales? Now, the problem is most people will try to look at the estimated rewards on your TikTok Shop affiliate dashboard, but that's never accurate because oftentimes it's delayed or just completely completely inaccurate, right? So here's how you can see how many videos are actually getting one sales. So if you go into your standard TikTok Shop commission dashboard, again, you want to filter it by the certain time frame that you're looking at, whether that's 7 days or by month or whatever time frame you're looking at. You have to select that time frame. Otherwise, it's only going to show you sales for that specific time frame. What you're going to want to do is scroll down and you're going to see top videos. You're going to hit view all. And from there, now it's going to take you to this screen. This is really important. You want to filter by GMV so that way you can see which videos are getting the sales. So we're going to hit this little toggle switch on the right. We're going to filter by GMV, and that's going to allow us to see what videos are getting the views versus the sales. So again, if you see a video that's going completely viral, but it's gotten no sales, okay, well, let me compare that to a video that's gotten less views, but a ton of sales. This is a really important thing, especially if you start to post a lot of videos. It gets really confusing. You're not able to see which ones are getting sales. This allows you to break that down to figure out, okay, which videos are actually doing well and actually making me money, as opposed to getting a lot of views, because you might see the commission going up or the commission going down, but this allows you to break it down video by video to see, okay, what's actually generating the sales and making me the money. So please start to use this. Again, you can filter it by different time frames that you're looking at. Make sure you're filtering by the correct time. Now look, knowing that these features exist is one thing, but actually knowing how to use them strategically to increase your income is entirely different. Most affiliates on TikTok Shop, they stumble across random features like these, but you have no idea how to actually implement this stuff or how you need to make decisions to turn these insights into action. So that's exactly why I created my mentorship program for people who want to master every edge and advantage available on TikTok Shop. We do weekly one-on-one coaching where I show you exactly how to read your data, what metrics actually matter, how to stack these insights with your product to maximize your results. So our group is full of people who were doing okay, but are now actually crushing it because they learned how to use every single tool and feature that TikTok is giving you so you can make better decisions. Again, to be fair, could you eventually stumble across these features on your own and figure out what they mean through trial and error? So if you're ready to get every possible advantage to actually stop leaving a significant amount of money on the table, the link is in the description. But again, whether you want to work with me or not to take it to the next level, using these features will give you an extra edge. So anyways, back to the beta. So now for this next tip, again, this is extremely important because you can see how well you're doing for a product over a specific period of time. So in here, we are in the commission and the affiliate dashboard as well. And again, the commission's low because it gets filtered to my agency. I've talked about that many times. However, what you're going to do is instead of scrolling down to videos, you're going to hit product performance. So you can see your specific trend on a product. And I'll explain why this is important in a second. We're going to click on this product. In this, you're going to see trends. We're going to hit see trends. So you can see right here, that is my trend for the amount of GMV I'm doing per day on that specific product. And what this allows you to do is figure out, okay, am I making more money over time or less money over time, right? So especially when you're promoting different products, you know, you're on an account for a long period of time. This allows you to really break it down to see, okay, what's actually generating me the most amount of sales? But most importantly, am I starting to make more money or is the amount of money that I'm making on this specific product going down? So pay attention to this because this can give you a lot of insight if you actually apply it to what you're doing on a daily basis. Now, again, we're going to go back to a random product that we were looking at before. This time we are looking at the collagen peptide capsules. Again, it doesn't matter. I'm just using a random product to show you guys here. Again, the problem with using tools like Kade is accurate. It's good for what it's for. But the problem is it's not always accurate. So sometimes it'll show you, oh, the top video is this video on Kade. It's the same thing with these other platforms that show you the top videos. They're not accurate, and oftentimes they're ranked by views. I've seen this happen many times where it shows me as a top 10 video, but I know that on my own dashboard, it's not converting. So what you can do is actually use TikTok to show you actual top converting videos. So when you click on our product, if you hit the up arrow, you're going to see learn from creators. Now, this is really important, not just for the videos, because TikTok is showing you the videos that are actually converting. So for example, you're going to see a lot of videos here that have 94,000 views. So although it didn't get a ton of views, it's actually converted, which is the opposite of Kade and some of these other platforms. This is optimized for conversion. So you can actually get better ideas and better implementation from getting ideas from this section of TikTok for your specific product, as opposed to using Kade. And to take this a step further, not only that, you can do this for similar products. So even if you're branding a different collagen, you can use these videos to figure out, okay, how they make the videos, what kind of points do they talk about? And they can use this to help shape your content if you're making videos for a specific product or even if you're making videos for a similar product. Those are the 5 secret TikTok Shop hacks that I've used to help me make over $170,000 in 2025 on TikTok Shop. And again, most affiliates don't even know that these features exist, right? Most affiliates will watch this video, they'll never actually go and find these features or use them strategically. So if you start stacking some of these small things on top of your product research, on top of your content strategy, you'll have an edge over everyone else who is missing these things entirely because they are extremely important. And again, the difference between TikTok Shop affiliates who are making $500 months, $1,000 months versus those making 10, 20, 30, 50, 60K a month. It's using every single advantage available, not just the obvious ones that everybody knows about. So again, if you want help mastering all these features, building systems that actually scale and getting every possible edge on TikTok Shop, click the first link in the description to book a call with the team, and we'll see if it's something that makes sense. So again, on the call, we'll review your situation, show you exactly how to use these insights to grow your income. Most importantly, help you get to that next level on TikTok Shop. So again, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see everybody in the next video.